like.
Mr. Midnight.
Let's go.
Instrumentals.
It's one of those things, just like you looking at it on like stage. It's gonna work.
GMR in this bitch. Mr. Kid in this bitch. Hey, I'm getting money, man. What you wanna do? I got my boys with me, yeah, they the fucking crew. Dub SM and GMR say, you know, I'm a fucking hood star. Say I got them things for the low. If you want that fucking dope, hit me on my turf. Oh, yeah, I get that for the low. Don't give a fuck. Oh, yeah, you see I'm kinda blow. Eyes kinda so swole. Don't give a fuck. Oh, I'm in this bitch.
Speak it up. Cause motherfuckers ain't here. I got the motherfucking mag in my pants. Now I hit you, make you do the fucking murder man dance. I'm the motherfucking boss. Get your shit split. I'm in this motherfucker with my door scratch bent. In the fucking ring, get your whole shit steamed up. Fuck you in your pussy. I'm the boss. Got the beam up at you niggas. Y'all don't really want it though. Cause I come through this bitch with the 44 and blow your whole motherfucker on. Fuck that bullshit talking. I'm the motherfucking truth. Pull up.
Can't nobody hear that motherfucking shit, but I guarantee they can hear the fucking 4-5 rip. And when I spit that motherfucking shit, I guarantee they lie. On the motherfucking ground, nigga, I guarantee they die. I hit them niggas between their eyes with that double shot shit. I got that 3-round burst, nigga. I got clips in this bitch. I kick bullets so nigga bullets can come real freely. You fuck around with me, nigga, this shit feel easy. Nigga, you switch like cheese. You see your ass get drowned, nigga. Fuck around with these niggas that's coming up the mile, nigga. Yeah, I represent stop, my pockets stay fat, nigga. Waking up in the morning like, what the fuck is that, nigga? Yeah, I'm back, nigga. Make that motherfucker scream bag so fat they call it pillow, so they getting dreams. Yeah, I seen that. I tear the seams about my pants when I got them fucking stacks. I don't even fucking dance. I stand in the club, nigga, mean mugging everybody. I don't give a fuck. They like stag, chill out, be cool in this motherfucker. But I'm like fuck a motherfucker. When I get in the ripping, I'm ready to fuck a motherfucker. I mean, put a hole right through a bitch ass nigga for talking shit, nigga. Looking at me sideways. Don't even know I'm a mafia man. Don't even know I founded this shit. And ain't no motherfucking regular nigga. I'm a savage motherfucker. I got the habit to get it. It's GMR motherfucker, and I'm all up in it. Yeah, the flames and the fire. When the spit is desire. Yeah, the passion they crashing. Yeah, they want mashing. They don't want that bullshit. They want a fucking thrashing. I got them grabbing the pillow, screaming out for more. Hell yeah, I'm at your door, nigga. Like with the 44, nigga. Like what the fuck you talking that bullshit for, nigga? Westside Mafia, nigga.
You's a bitch. Cop that motherfucking mixtape. Westside Mafia like GMR in this bitch. You already know. 7 the General. The motherfucking kid, bitch. The motherfucking kid, bitch.
You know.
So I can fit?
In this motherfucker. Next up on the motherfucking menu. Cause you already know. We about to put this motherfucking Westside Mafia live shit on the map. We about to put this GMR shit on the motherfucking map, bitch. And that's how we get it in. Fuck in your motherfucking pussy, bitch.